Okay, on this next video, we're going to create the drone assembly drawing. So we have the CAD file. We're going to go to File, New, and we're going to click on Drawing Sheet. What Drawing Sheet's going to do is going to give us the drawing for the CAD file. Okay. So what comes in is the default views. Click on the outline and delete them. Don't delete the CAD itself, just this outline, or else it will delete the CAD. Hit home or hit H on your keyboard. Okay, so now what you want to do is we want to bring in the views. So hit general and we'll bring in our isometric view and scale. Make it a little bit bigger, 1 to 5. Hit home and then hit save. Okay. So now go back to general, and we're working in a third angle projection. So click that. So we want to create is the front view. So hit front. Okay. And then from here, from this front view, we'll click projected. So you click on this view and you just drag up. Okay. Then hit escape. Let's bring this down a little. It's kind of in our way. If you hold the outline on the right, on the outer perimeter, you can drag it down. And then hit projected again. You're going to click this face, drag to the right, then hit escape. So now we have top view, front view, and the right view. So hit note, click in here, zoom in, call it top, all capitalized, top view, front view, and type in here right view. Hit escape twice. Okay, let's square it up, hit home, save. Alright, so now you have your views named, top, front, right. If you want to make these a little bit bigger, come in here, right click in there, instead of 3.5, maybe make it 5. Or I'm going to actually make it maybe 7. Okay, 7 is actually better for me. Right click, 7. Okay. Home, save. All right, so we have our top view, our front view, our right view, and our isometric view. All right, now we're going to come in here, put our initials. So put your initials and then put your teacher's initials, mine, MT. Then the date, just going to be 11/4/22. And so make this smaller, it needs to fit into the box. So I'm going to make that 5. Okay, Control C, Control V, copy, paste. All right, go to title, make a note. So this is going to be called the drone assembly. And then enter, and then type your name. Hit escape, right click, make this to fill the box. You want to fill that entire title assembly box. All right, so you should have your initials, your approvals. Under approvals, where you'll sign and I'll sign the drawing, the date and title. Okay, click home, hit save. All right, so now what we want to do is identify critical parts. So we'll put on here. This will be the propeller. And we'll start listing off critical parts. So central unit. Now up here is the note leader. So you'll create the note and then we'll create a note leader. So you click on note leader and then you hover over the note. These come up. So you want to click on the note leader and then you want to point to wherever, whatever edge. So just right when you hit it, right when the edge highlights. So that'll be the propeller. Another note leader. I have note leader still clicked on. Hover over a point, click the point, and then come over to right wherever the item is. So you have a central unit here. You have your propeller. Landing skid is this guy. So what we'll do, so we'll create a note, type landing skid, then we'll create our note leader, and you can actually do it from any point you want. Click here and then click there, zoom in, click on there. It's putting it as a point, so what you want to do is change that. So click on okay, so double click here, change the style to open. Okay, or actually close filled is what we want. So it'll point to that landing skid. Shall redo it. Okay, there we go, landing skid. All right, now we need to point to the drone arm. So let's create another note, call it drone arm, create the note leader, zoom in from here to here, and hit H or home, save. So you have top view, front view, right view. This is the top level assembly. You have critical pieces identified, propeller, central unit. So your propeller, your drone blade, your central unit, your drone arm, you have your landing skid, and you have completed your drawing, assembly drawing.